Here we are at Haslingfield Fete, very old-fashioned fete held in the grounds of the old vicarage. Playing bowls. I think there's going to be a murder here. I think it's going to be like Midsummer Murders.
Midsummer, is it?
Careful, Richard, it might be you. Don't kick. Ali G. And then over here. Green Man. Oh, he's dropped a bit. It's the Millennium Sundial. How to organise pushing a women. Wow. Yeah.
Video and him doing it.
Well, I did, but I want to see the windmill turning. And it obviously turns really easily, doesn't it? They're not really pushing. No.
And even getting the steps up wasn't that hard. Yeah.
That's amazing, isn't it? Needs a bit of WD-40. That's brilliant.
Makes a great noise.
It does. Wow. It sings. Here they come. Oh. Oh. There's people inside. And back to the steps. Very good.